This module is about another governance challenge, that is security. देखते हैं कि किस तरीके से सिक्योरिटी जो है गवर्नर्स के लिए एक चैलेंज है. Pakistan is facing serious security issues for more than a decade. Educational institutes are not an exception. Institution security is a big challenge for the educational governors. Budget and human resource. Education budget is not enough to provide security resources, जिसमें शामिल हैं सिक्योरिटी फेंसेस, मेटल डिटेक्टर्स, आर्म्ड गार्ड्स एंड एमरजेंसी कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम्स इन ऑल एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट्स. तो एजुकेशनल बजट तो इतना नहीं है, तो हाउ कैन schools and other educational institutes be made safe for the students, teachers and other administrative staff? So that is a challenge. Peace zones. In February 2015, UN Envoy for Global Education Gordon Brown proposed a foolproof security plan for provision of better safety measures in the schools of Pakistan. ये इतना बड़ा चैलेंज है क्योंकि अगर पेरेंट्स जो हैं वो एक जगह को सेफ महसूस नहीं करेंगे, हाउ कैन गवर्नमेंट मीट द चैलेंज ऑफ एजुकेशन फॉर ऑल. Enrollment में कमी आएगी. So that is a big issue for the educational governors at the moment. The plan includes proposal of creation of peace zones around schools, negotiated with local community and religious leaders. इसमें religious leaders की और local community की participation बहुत ज़रूरी है, because religious leaders are very respected people in the community. तो अगर वो किसी चीज़ को support कर रहे हैं, प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, community listens to them, तो अल्टीमेटली उसका फ़ायदा जो है ओवरऑल सिक्योरिटी में होगा. The plan warns of concerns over school transport and calls for buses to be checked every day for explosive devices. Again हमें नज़र आता है कि इसको कैसे फुलफिल किया जाए, क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा बजट नहीं है कि आर्म्ड गार्ड्स या डिटेक्टर्स, मेटल डिटेक्टर्स जो है उनको इस्तेमाल किया जा सके. बट एनीवे ये जो UNNV ने एक प्रपोज किया था प्लान, उसमें ये शामिल था. इफ़ स्कूल्स आर अटैक्ड, द रिपोर्ट सेड देयर मस्ट be a way of rapidly calling for assistance and alerting other schools. Peace zones में और शामिल क्या है? There were also suggestions that small schools in isolated areas could be brought together into places where they could be better protected or moved to areas of greater safety. Brown called upon the international community to fund the security improvements. क्योंकि ये इस बात का पता है सारी जगहों के ऊपर, इंटरनेशनल लेवल के ऊपर, कि पाकिस्तान इज़ अ डेवलपिंग कंट्री. उसमें बजट जो है एजुकेशन का वो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, एंड दिस एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी सिचुएशन डिमांड्स मोर रिसोर्सेज. सो Mr. Brown called upon the international community to fund the security improvements in the country. The challenge for educational governors remains of adequate funds. Besides quality in education, security of educational institutes is a big challenge for educational governors in Pakistan. US Envoy proposed a security plan for schools. However, it has not been fully implemented because of funding issues. With this plan, Prime Minister and other people, educational governors, bureaucrats, everyone agreed with this plan. लेकिन इसको fully implement अभी तक नहीं किया जा सका because of lack of resources.